In Codolex, parameters in a flow allow you to add input values when you call a flow. With parameters, flows can be made flexible and reusable. In this example, we will create a flow to get data from a file. We use a parameter to define a file path, and we will pass this parameter in when we call the flow. So here I dragged in a parameter into the flow. I give it a name and a data type. Now this value is available within your flow. So let's say I use a read file activity. I can simply select here the parameter that we gave in earlier, and the result value you have to specify. Now, if we use this flow in our Delphi project, you see that you have to provide this file path parameter. So we can do that like this. And in this way, you can pass in parameters into flows. Of course, if you call a specific flow from within Codolex, you will also have to provide these parameters. So if we have an empty flow and we want to call this flow we just configured with a parameter, you can see that you have to have a property or a file path in this case when you call this flow. So here we can put in the value we have to provide as a parameter. If you want, you can have multiple parameters as well. Simply drag in another parameter, give it a name and a type, and you will see that you now have to provide both these parameters.